We're going to take you around and look for various things, how you can do a visual inspection on your property quickly and easily. So why don't you come over here? As kind of a summary on this project, we've walked around and we've seen roof issues, we've seen roof ventilation issues, we've seen a history of repairing some roof flashing and not other roof flashing. The roofs obviously need a good cleaning. They need the moss removed and leaves cleaned up and things like that. But I would focus my time and energy on the roofs and how they're ventilated. And then I would jump to these side things that are shielding your electric panels and meters, either reflash them or reseal them. Lower siding that is rotting because of, again, of a roof runoff. So we got to figure out that roof drainage. And then, you know, running around and making sure your exterior is sealed well. We've got old windows and a combination of replacement windows, so we need to get things sealed up properly. And if people are going to be replacing their windows in the future, maybe give them a recipe to do it correctly. And so we've been asked to do that by several boards of, here's drawings and details of how to do it correctly. Here's a list of good vendors and good products you can use. So when you do decide to do that, here's a recipe to follow and to do it correctly. Let's talk about documenting this, both for your own file and for any other kind of consultant or contractor, or bringing this in front of the board or the community. Where did you find this damage, and how widespread is this damage, et cetera? So one of the first things we teach all junior consultants at J2 is how to take good pictures. And so we always want to start with a back, far away, an elevation shot, we call it. So we're gonna come back to here, and we're gonna take as much of the building as we can in a big back shot, so that then we can zoom in this instance, on this rotten sheathing here. So this is what I'm ultimately taking a picture of. But from the back shot, now I'm going to get the door address. So I'm going to get address and damage. Then I can go into the damage and go, here's the photo. And in any kind of report, I can go big picture, red arrow to doorway, red arrow to damage. And so everybody will know where it's at. Most importantly, the contractor, hey, great, here's a photo, here's a close-up of damage, but where do I go to fix it? So you go to this address right there. Keeping those things in mind, then if you want to talk about it, in this instance, we've already seen 3 or 4 instances, you can say typical condition as observed at Unit 3, Unit 5, Unit 7, so on, so that those repairs can be categorized and taken care of. And then saving that, save it in any kind of cloud system, where you can say inspection, this date, visual inspection of siding, and then you can throw videos in there, you can throw photos in there, you can put all that stuff in there, and then of course you can share that cloud link. Now that you've finished your investigation, what do you do with this stuff? You start ranking it in your mind of kind of 1 to 5, 5 being bad and 1 being, okay, we should keep our eye on it. So in the 1s and 2s, you're keeping an eye on things. So start making a list, start putting that into your maintenance plan. So every fall and spring, you should be walking around doing something like this, keeping an eye on those. Is it getting worse? Are they, growing or things like that? And then when we start with 3, 4s and 5s, you got to start ranking it. Do I need to run out there today and do something about it? Is it a security issue to the building? Is it a safety issue? Is it a deck that is collapsing, or a railing that's falling off, or something along those lines of safety? Those issues you need to get on it either today or as soon as reasonably possible. And that's calling your management company, or that's getting your repairman out to start making repairs right away. And also checking for other patterns. So if you see it on one deck, really go back around and make sure you're not seeing it, or little instances on other decks as well. So safety issues, get right on it. The other issues you can start categorizing and seeing Is it happening on just the south elevations? Is it all the elevations? Is it this phase of the project? Is it all the phases of the project? And stop the water from getting in. If you need help with that, call us. We're available. Take these photos, take these videos, put them into that cloud service, send it to us. We'll take a look at it and we'll talk you through it. Hi guys, thanks for watching this episode. We hope you learned something. Our goal is to teach you how to do it yourself and inspect your own buildings. So if you missed any episodes, please hit the subscribe button. And if you like what we're doing, hit that bell and you'll be notified for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.